Well, I'm on a green screen. Sure hope no one takes advantage of the fact that it would be easy to put me anywhere.
Hey, can I borrow your sports section?
Sorry, what?
Can I borrow the sports section?
You want more section? What?
No, I said can I borrow the sports section?
You know, I'm having trouble hearing you. What do you want?
I want to know how the Royals are doing.
The boils? You got boils? Ew!
No, the Royals!
Wait a minute, what's that sound? No, I think that's... No.
I have a bad feeling about Mamma mia.
It's a learning opportunity.
No, you don't want to pet it either. What you want to do is your boy.